guys, still at SHOT Show 2025. We're at Reate Knives. I got Andrew, who is thumbing through some of their most popular knives. And I think we're going to start off with this absolutely gigantic knife. Andrew, tell me about this knife.
This is the T1000, most popular right now. What's different with this is that when it has these two buttons here, when it's pressed in, this becomes a fixed blade. Now on the back of the spine, if I push this forward, it opens up the spine. This becomes a frame lock.
Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at the size of this thing. That is a thick bar stock. Whew. Beautiful. What's up next?
Next is Exod. This is the OG. Come back, popular demand. Everyone wanted it. This now has a lock that it can be either switch either left or right-handed.
Gravity.
Gravity.
Legal in most places. All right, what is next?
Next one, this is a Jack Jr. It's a little bit smaller compared to the original. This is aluminum.
Oh wow. Got a flipper lever. This is an aluminum?
It's aluminum frame with the, this is micarta. We have different versions that we have.
Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Get that blade, guys. What is this guy?
This guy is called Exod for daggers. Push a button, you swing it out.
Oh.
It swings it back in.
I'm gonna have to play around with this thing later. I can't do this on camera or I'll probably kill myself. But that's a gorgeous handle. Is it held like this?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. I'll get this later on there.
I'm gonna show you one more time here. Here, push that button. When you swing it out, it comes out.
That's a punch knife.
Dagger, yes. Come back.
Okay, guys, I think I figured this out. So you got the button here, and there's a lock here. You're gonna hold it like this. Press this button and it flicks out like that. Punch dagger, and then to close, push the button down and it folds back over. That's pretty cool stuff. Look at this guy.
This one is District 9. Again, come back, popular demand.
Oh,
this also has, we can change one of these to become the pocket assist that flicker on it.
So when you pull it out, it'll come out?
Come out.
What type of, is this a G10?
This is actually carbon fibers.
Okay.
We do have different type. We do have a G10. We have different type of scale on it.
Look at that pivot. Beautiful harpoon. That is a fierce looking knife, guys. Whew. Smooth, quick, good feeling. All right, we got two more.
Two more. This one is a PLX6 open.
Oh, I love the coloring on that handle.
It's a pivot lock. So it's right here. So the ones that come up again, pivot.
Yes. And what is that?
This is micarta.
It's a micarta. Just feel that. Different coloring in here. I like the pattern. Nicely done. This one I can't open because you got to flip it from the front. Not too good at doing those.
Sometimes you can just here on that pivot and you can open it that
Yeah,
way.
okay, so this is like a push.
Yep.
There it is. It's kind of neat. right, and one more to go.
The last one, PLX7. Same
looks
thing,
like
pivot
micarta
lock.
too.
Micarta. We do have different variants, different color. Same thing with pivot.
I like the accents, this blue accents. Cut through, flipper lever. Look at the belly on that thing. Look at how that lays back. Wow.
And the pocket clip can be switched level, right?
Oh, yeah, and the pocket clip coloring matches the lever right here. That's a lock.
That's a lock on open, just in case our finger might press on that.
Ah, okay. So forward is locked, back
Yes.
is unlocked, and then you push this to close it.
Yep.
Gorgeous. All right, Andrew, thanks for the walkthrough.
Thank you very much.
This is Reate'S Knives, guys. SHOT Show 2025.